Hi children, welcome to maths class. So in the last class we finished lesson addition. Today we are going to start with a new lesson, that is subtraction. Okay, what is meant by subtraction? Subtraction means going on subtracting the number from the given number. For example, here is a rabbit here. See, look at the following. So what is there? Here are the two carrots. See how many? 1, 2. So two carrots. Here rabbit. See rabbit. See rabbit is very hungry here. Rabbit want to eat one carrot. See rabbit has took one carrot here. So here rabbit has took one carrot. So how many were left here? Only one carrot is left here. Okay. So back of 2 is 1. See, this is nothing but an subtraction is the back number. See how we'll write. See, we'll write 1 to 10 in this way. See, here rabbits were having, so 2 carrots were there here. So how many carrots were there? 2 carrots were there. So 2 carrots were there. In that 1 has taken. Then how many were left? 1. So back of 2 is 1. So 2 in a mind, 1 on fingers. See 2 in a mind, 1 on fingers. Back of 2 is 1. In this way children. See here, next example. See 4 birds were sitting on a tree here. How many were there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 birds are sitting on a tree and 2 were flew away. So after some time 2 were taken away, means they have flew away. 2 birds were flew away. Then how many birds were left? See, what is there? 4. 4 in a mind, so bigger number always. How we done with the addition? In the same way children, subtraction also in the same way. So bigger number in the mind, 4 in a mind, 2 on finger. Back of 2, back of 4, see back of 4, 3, 2. See, here 4 birds were sitting here. See 1, 2, 3, 4. See 4 birds were sitting on the tree. And what happened? 2 were flew away. Then how many were left? 2 birds were left. See back of 4, 2 on fingers, see 3, 2. So how many? 1, 2. So 2 were left. Okay. Here 5 fishes are swimming in the pond. See how many are there? There are 5 fishes. In that what happened? 2 fishes were taken away. See 5 in a mind, 2 on fingers. See 5 in a mind, 2 on fingers. Back of 5 is back of 5. See 4, 3. 4, 3. So how many? 3 were left in the pond. In this way children. Addition means we are going on adding to the next number. So given number to the next number. Here subtraction means to the given number to the back number. We have to go on subtracting from the given number to the back number. See here 8 diyas are there. So 8 in a mind. See 2 girls, she asked how many she took? 2 diyas she took here. So 8 in a mind, 2 on finger. Back of 8. See back of 8, which number comes back of 8 here? 7, 6. So answer is 6. So back of 8 is 7, 6. 2 numbers. Okay. 2 diyas were taken away. So 2 on fingers. So back of 8 is 7, 6. So answer is 6. Here what is there? Sign of subtraction is nothing but a minus sign. See this is called as minus sign. Observe the picture here. See out of 4 balloons. See girl is holding a balloons here. How many balloons? 4 balloons she is holding. In that one bursts. See one balloon has burst here. What happened? See one balloon has burst. Then how many were left with the girl? See 4 were the starting. So 4 balloons were there. In that what happened? One balloon was burst. So how many is left here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 were left here. See how we'll do in other way? 4 in a mind, 1 on finger. So back of 4 is 3. So answer is 3. Here what is the symbol of subtraction is minus. See going on trace this minus symbol children. See minus, minus, minus in this way. So here is some like we'll do some NHS here. What is this? To know the symbols here. What is this? Put plus sign for square, See, put square for plus, put triangle for is equal to, and subtract minus for circle and circle for minus. Okay, what is there here? See, what is there? See, here is a given here, plus minus, so is equal to, plus minus minus plus. So what we have to do? So addition means square, plus means square, so draw here square, then circle, then triangle, square, circle, circle, square, circle, circle. See, you can enjoy this. So you can enjoy this game. See, do it, children. Okay, this is a homework for you all. Next, what is there? Look at the following. Here there are bunch of leaves in a, see here there is a bunch of leaves here in a plant. How many are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 bunches of leaves are there in a bunch. Okay, 9 leaves are there in a bunch. So what happens? See, 2, in this 2 they became dry and they fell down. Okay, 2 they become dry and they fell down. So how many were left here? See, 2 here, it is not there. So how many are left? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. See here. See here, picture is given. So without picture, how we will count, children? In the same way, how we done with the addition? See, keep 9 in a mind, 2 on finger. See, back of 9 is 8, 7. See, very easy. So 7 is the answer. See, if there is no picture, see here is a picture, we can count. So without picture, children, we have to do in this way mental. Okay, we have to do mental arithmetic. Okay, here there is a 9 disc. See here there is a 9 disc. In this 2 were broken here. See, 2 it is broken and it fell down. So how many were left here? See, 8 in a mind, 2 on finger, back of 8. So given number is 8. So back of 8. So back of 8 is 7, 6. So how many discs were remaining here? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, here the girl, she wanted to buy a bangles. Here there are 6 bangles. Okay, here there are 6 bangles and she took 3 bangles. How many were left? How to count how many were left? 6 in a mind, 3 on finger. Back of 6 is 5, 4, 3. So answer is 3. Okay, here 7 apples were there. So 7 apples, in that 3 apples were taken away. Okay, how many were remaining? 7 in a mind, 3 on fingers. Back of 7, 6, 5, 4. So how many? 4. And next one here. How many shirts are there? See, how many shirts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many shirts are there? 7 shirts. So 7 shirts are there. In the 7 shirts, take away shirts with flower prints on them. So flower prints, how many are there? 1, 2, 3. So 3. So what is the answer here? 7 minus 3. So 7 in a mind, 3 on fingers. How many were left? So back of 7, 6, 5, 4. So without print, how many shirts are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So answer is 4. So we got answer as a 4 and here shirts also 4. Here 3 birds are sitting on the tree here. See, crow. We can see crow is sitting on the tree and one it flees away. In the 2, one bird, see, it flew away. Then how many were left? See, how many were left? 2. How? 3 in a mind, 1 on finger. Back of 3 is 2. So answer is 2. Okay, next. 2 birds were sitting on a tree. In that, one bird flew away. Then how many were left here? Only 1. See, 2 in a mind, 1 on finger. Back of 2 is 1. Here, one bird was sitting on a tree and one bird is flew away. Then how many birds are here? No birds. So answer is 0. So are you understanding, children, what is meant by subtraction? Okay. Here, next subtract. What is there here? Wow, this is a flower pot. And how many flowers are there? 5 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers are there. So she want girl took how many flowers? 2 flowers she took. The how many were remaining here? 3. How? 5 in a mind, 2 on fingers. So back of 5 is 3. Yes, 3 2. No. Back of 5 is 4. The next 3. So answer is 3. In the same way, 3 minus 0 is 3. Always see 3. 3 flowers were there. In that again, we have not taken any flowers. We did not pluck any flowers. So answer is 3 itself. Here 5 ducks. And 5 ducks are still remaining in the pond. And the answer is 5. Okay. Are you understanding, children? If you have any doubt, you can call me. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye.